have a push play area? Thomas.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't do it, Thomas. All right.
It's us on it now.
It's this one here, you need to press that one there. I think. I don't know.
That's another one of them.
I have no idea. I don't know about your phone. Your one's weird.
Oh yeah! Wow!
Quickly, because they're going to pick us.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That other one didn't pop properly.
That's number 8. Number 8. Oh God! 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yeah, like this. 2, 4, 6. Come on, 3. Too late.
No, this is the rest of one. This is Megastorm that she got. No idea what it does.
What was that? Whoa!
It should be okay.
Can you see? I don't want to die yet, Thomas.
Oh, you make me very nervous. It takes too long to come away.
He's in.
This is your ones.
Yeah. Yeah, the rest of them are now ours.
Oh, going on. Bend your back first.
That was a baby one.
No, this one's a ground one.
Baby one. This is gonna go bang. I told you. Look, I told you that.
I think it's like one went down.
Come on over there, mate, quick. Good boy.
Ow!
In the one video.
Where's the love heart?
Oh my god.
They're powerful ones.
Over there.
Right.
Stay in there now.
You're not in and out.
I hate that red storm. Don't!
Yeah. No.
Really magical with the fireworks.
Sugar.
I have once. Keith's mate got one, but it didn't go properly. Oh, flipping hell.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Right. Oh my god. Sit down.
There's only 3 kids left out now. Yeah.
Go on, Lily, go!
Come. Alright.
Bye-bye. Let's go out.
Well, they were good, but yeah.
They're shit.
The water's made them a bit wet. Oh, this is heavy duty.
How the hell do you know all the names?
Because I know my fireworks. Flipping out my ears.
Thomas, you will never get rid of me, I'll tell you now.
Oh no. I mean, we have got a few more fireworks to strap you to.
Yeah.
I need to sit back more. Run, Jamie.
Run!
Orange will hurt your back, mate.
He has loads of
If he does kill you, you'll be in that one.
Right.
That was a crack in that one.
Yeah, it's alright.
You going in, are you? Smile and laugh. Right.
Is that it?
Try get.
That catch me out. Come out. Chocolate whip.
Alright, it's
I
one.
can hear it coming down, that's why I stepped forward. Greedy boy.
Oh, no. This isn't quick fire.
I don't like it. Okay. Someone else's got.
Oh, sorry. Joey to come.
No thanks.
Yeah.
Savannah. Caleb. Yeah. On your way back. Grab your Dr.
It's a nice one.
Dr. Pepper. Do you want Dr. Pepper or Dr. Pepper soon? Dr. Pepper, you're fine. Dr. Pepper soon. The one that I got you earlier. You did soon.
Milk. No, I'm fine. Nice milk. I want it. Milk good for you, mate.
Both together. Yeah, nice.
Right, I'm just gonna.
2 golden goblins together. That was wicked.
Come and stand when it's done. That was pretty.
Yeah.
We like that one.
It's just walking up some.
Well, this is one of the good ones. Good ones.
Yeah, it's just.
And where's the second bang? Oh, should have been 2 bangs in that.
What's the other one then, the other big barrage?
That's, can't remember.
Come on, that way, mate. No, you're right.
The barrages, yeah, last of the barrages. The best of the barrages.
We can get back this one.
Jason, so you call me Dad.
Jason! Jason, I'm serious! Oh, that's nice. That's only 3.
That was Jamie.
No,
Where is that hot?
the two after this one.
That was nice, wasn't it, Jill?
Went on the front and I went on the back. Alright.
Come on, Thomas, Jamie.
Dad.
Hear the echo still going. Rest in peace, Dad.